everybody, we're in a BMW E60 with the N54 engine having an issue where it starts, it dies immediately, sometimes it won't even start. And customer had did his own intake manifold gasket replacement himself, but he didn't check the idle air control valve. As you can see, if you guys can see in there, it's a tad bit like it's closed already. There's no rattle noise coming from it when you wiggle it, and the valve is actually stuck. When you turn the key on, you get a loud humming noise, and it's been draining the battery. So if you guys had that problem, take a look at the idle air control valve.